Hi guys, welcome to lesson 5.2, the menu and tools for navigating Google Earth. Over here on the left-hand side, we've got our menu. We've got the search menu, Voyager, which is the tool there, the dice, which is I'm feeling lucky, the bookmarks, and then the distance measuring tool, which we're all going to look at in future lessons. Also down here in the bottom right-hand corner, we've got our locate, fly to my location, the street view, 3D versus 2D, and some of the globe and orientation features. So let's just do a quick, we'll go fly to my location. So when you do this, it's going to 3D fly our way in, and it should automatically, as you open Google Earth, allow your location to be found. But if it asks you, would you like to allow your location, that's what we're doing here. So it notices we do in fact live in Clearwater. Let's say the first one we're going to look at here is the search feature. So let's say I just want, we're going to do like Venice, Italy. Okay. The cool thing about Google Earth is it does do that kind of fly in, fly out. So you get that perspective there. Also, when you do a search, you'll notice, especially for towns, it gives you this kind of city outline of where we're going. And so the default here, we are kind of from the top. You'll notice that some of the buildings look, it looks a little different. And that's because down here we are in fact in 3D. And so as I come in, let's just say we'll come down here, you'll see that I start to see more of the 3D outline. And if I click on the 3D button, it actually pans down and starts to give me the 3D outline of what I'm looking at, which is really cool. You can also adjust the pan of that by holding the shift key as you click and drag up and down. So you can see here now I can get kind of a flatter view. And then as I rotate, I am holding the shift button again, and I can kind of rotate my way around. Now I see this area here, which is very cool. I can also then, as I go to do street view, as I drag my guy, you can see those little dots starting to show up, which means the same thing as they did in Google Maps a couple weeks ago, meaning that when we drop our guy onto one of those dots, it's going to morph it into an actual image that's been taken there, a 3D image that I can spin my way around, whether that was a Google car or publicly sourced. I can also always get this tile, which gives me sort of a synopsis of that city or that searchable area that I was at. I can hide that there. I can also switch, if I want, back into 2D. And then as I grab my guy, I get the same street view options that we have with all the blue options there. So those are just some orientation tools, kind of the 3D versus 2D, the street view, as well as the quick search tool there as well. Thanks.